Old house renovation FAQs. Still got some questions and concerns on renovating your old house? Practical answers await you in this section. Still got some questions and concerns on renovating your old house? Practical answers await you in this section. Renovation of one room. A budget between PHP 100,000 and PHP 400,000 can already do wonders to one room. Take into account, however, that it will still depend on the size of the space. Nevertheless, if you're living in a 20 square meter condo, this should be enough, granted that there will be no complicated fixes. 2. Do I need a permit before I renovate my old house? Yes, especially if you're doing a major renovation, i.e. adding a new floor or rebuilding your old home. This is required by the National Building Code of the Philippines. 3. I'm planning to buy an old house to renovate. What should I do before I actually buy it? An old house, by default, is a lot of work. But if you're determined to turn it into a beautiful space, there are a couple of things you need to do. First, check the foundations. The foundations are among the first things that you need to inspect when buying an old home. You need to determine if these foundations can withstand the amount of renovation that you'll do. If these substructures are weak, you may end up demolishing the house, so you can build newer and stronger foundations. Look at the plumbing. A lot of old houses have complicated and problematic electrical and water plumbing. For one, the electrical wires have already been damaged by pests. The water may also have a questionable color and odor. Find out if overhauling the entire plumbing system is workable before you agree to buy the house. Picture the potential. It's always wise to determine if your design vision is actually applicable to the old house that you're planning to buy. For example, the soil condition of the property may make it impossible for you to build new foundations. Or the design that you have in mind has the possibility of encroaching on the perimeter of your neighbor. 4. Is the house renovation cost in the Philippines cheaper compared to buying a new house? You already have an idea of the house renovation cost in the Philippines. So to answer the question, yes, it's sometimes cheaper to buy a new home instead of renovating an old one. But you have to ask yourself this: is it practical? A lot of brand new homes sell for around PHP 1.5 million to PHP 2 million. But you'll find them in flourishing communities that are often quite far from Manila. Buying a new home may also mean adjusting to a new lifestyle. If your old house is close to key cities and you still want to access these urban areas easily, renovating your space makes a more sensible choice. But it will likely cost you more. Thank you for watching. JF Property Group are offering you a house for sale, a residential lot, beach lot, agricultural lot, a commercial lot and an apartment for rent. We offer online services to market your properties, busing services, and construction materials. We also offer services, land survey, title transfer, dark clearance, building permit application, home renovation, water application, electrical application, property advertisement, architectural services, electrical services, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, drilling surveys, electrical application, heating, ventilation, air conditioner, birth certificate registration. Search www.jfpropertygroup.com. For more information, contact us. Call 09338161046, text 09171539608. Our email is jfpropertygroup.info@gmail.com, jfpropertygroup.helpdesk@gmail.com. Our social media. JF Property Group provide marketing services for your business. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for and more interesting video.